Peace, y'all. Trying to get this set up the way I wanted it. The first time, the audio didn't record, so I already made this video, but the audio didn't record, which is great, right? So just to have this all set up so you guys can see me clearly took like an hour to set it up the way I wanted to. Anyways, that's neither here or there. So we're here to discuss how to budget. A lot of people don't know where their money is going, so I'm gonna help you sort that out a little bit. So, in order to budget, you need to add up your income after taxes. So after Uncle Sam gets his money, you need to figure out what that total is. After that, you need to add up your fixed expenses. So fixed expenses are expenses that don't change. So your rent, your utilities, your transportation, things that are consistent that won't change, that you always have to pay. Then you're gonna add up your variable expenses, which is, groceries, Netflix, any subscription services. Those things could usually vary, depending on the month, how much you use, things like that. So you add all of those up. So after you do that, you subtract your income from all your expenses. So you'll have that chunk of money once you subtract everything. That's the amount of money you could use to either save or invest or both. Also, from your expenses, your variable expenses, that's the amount that you could, if you're trying to cut back and save more money, usually that's where people cut back. So, if you go to Starbucks every day, that's something you can cut back. If you have Hulu, Disney, Netflix, you can cut back on one of those, things like that. You can cut back so you could have some more dollars left over. You'll be surprised where your money goes when you're not paying attention. So it's important to, I don't know if you remember, well, I guess it depends on the age book and what you were taught, but when people, the check, drawing a blank, jeez, when people do their checkbook, do their, blah, blah, blah. When they do their checkbook, that is something that we don't physically do anymore, especially those that have cards. We just, well, I know I have, and I'm starting to, fix that. But usually, your checking account, you're not watching the ins and outs because you usually get your financial statement is not paper, so you're not watching the amount that goes in, what goes out. You're just swiping your card. I'm gonna go over debit cards versus credit cards in another video, so you guys can see what's the best for you. The majority of people that are in a higher financial bracket use credit cards. So I'm gonna go over that as well as what's a credit score, because a lot of people don't know what that is as well. So I'll definitely go over that for you guys. But back to the original thing. To how to budget is you add up all your income over after taxes, you add up all your expenses, you subtract the two, and that amount of money left over is what you have to save or invest. Depending on what your initial, or both, depending on what your first goal is, I suggest that if you have kids or if you have a lot of medical expenses, things of that nature, you have like a big goal that you save. Save in an emergency account. So emergency account is usually 3 to 6 months of your monthly income. So say that people are losing jobs for whatever reason. You never know what's going to happen. So make sure you have money stashed away just in case something happens, as well as learning investments that are going to work for you. If you do plan on saving, put it in a high yield savings account. Around here somewhere, I want to have a link where I talk about high yield savings accounts. All right. Until next time, peace. Remember, set goals, plan for your goals, and execute. All right.